get a bowl, get sweetened condensed milk, and a can is about 395 grams, just about half of that, so around 200 grams is what we want. Then get some cocoa powder and add 3.5 tablespoons of this in. Now mix this through until it's well combined. Now just set this aside and we'll get on to the next part. Now get a mixing bowl. You can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer. I'm using stand mixer with that attachment. Get thickened cream, whipping cream or heavy cream, and put in about 275 mils. Now we want to beat this until stiff peaks form. I just get a couple of tablespoons worth of the cream. Just whisk it through a little bit, just so we can thin the mixture out a little bit. That's the stuff. Now get that mixture and pour it straight into there. Now just fold it through. Now get an airtight container and just add that straight in. Pop this in the freezer until it has frozen. This is going to be so good. Nom, 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 nom. Alrighty, let's see what this is like. Oh, look at that. Yum. Beautiful looking chocolate ice cream. There you go. 3 ingredient chocolate ice cream. Well, I hope you like this. Mama. OMG. This tastes exactly like chocolate ice cream. It even has the consistency. Oh, I'll see you next time for my next meal.